Hello everyone. Now question number 8. The length of a rectangle is 20 centimeter more than its breadth. Length जो है breadth से 20 centimeter ज़्यादा है. So we will take let the breadth of rectangle equal x centimeter. Therefore length of rectangle would be क्या होगा 20 centimeter more than its breadth. So it will be x plus 20 centimeter. अब आगे लिखा है if the perimeter is 100 centimeter. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter of rectangle equal formula is 2 into L plus B. So from this question, to multiply L plus B, perimeter is given 100. So instead of perimeter, हम उसकी वैल्यू 100 लिख देंगे. Now we will put the value of length and breadth from here. Okay, so 2 multiply length कितना है x plus 20 and breadth कितना है x. So we will put it here. We will solve it for the 2x plus 20 equal 100 because x plus x will be 2x. Now to solve it further, you can do it in two ways. Either you can multiply the term by opening the bracket, or this 2 you can divide it by 100 also. So there are two ways to do this question further. Now what should be next step? You will find out the value of x. So 100 minus 40. So 4x will be 60. So x will be 60 upon 4. Cancel कीजिए. So this will become, x will become 15. x will be 15. तो क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है हमसे? Find the dimensions of the rectangle. Dimension means we have to find out the length and breadth. Therefore, length of rectangle will be x plus 20 means 15 plus 20, that is 35 centimeter, and breadth of rectangle कितना हमने माना है? यहाँ पे breadth को क्या माना है? We have taken it as x. So x value is 15. So 15 centimeter. Now question 8. In question 8, the length of the rectangle is 3 times its width. Width or breadth is same thing, and the perimeter is 84. So again we will follow same procedure. Let the width or breadth, one and same thing, width or breadth of rectangle equal x centimeter, x meter. Here it is, unit is meter. So x meter. Length is 3 times. So therefore length of rectangle is 3 times. So it will be 3x meter, and perimeter of rectangle is given 84 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula? Just now we did this question, this type of question, 2L plus B. So therefore 2L plus B किसके इक्वल होगा? Perimeter 84 के. Now we will put these values in the formula. So 2 into length is 3x and breadth is x equal 84. You can solve it further. 3x plus x is 4x, 84. So x will be 84 upon 2 multiply 4. Now you can cancel it. 21 and cancel with the 2, so it will become x equal 10.5. X will become 10.5 meter. Now we will find out the length of rectangle. So what it should be? Therefore, length of rectangle क्या होगा? This is 3x. So 3x. So it will become 3 multiply x value is 10.5. So if you will multiply it, it will come as 13.5 meter as the answer. Now question number 10. Question 10 is two equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle क्या होता है? A triangle in which two sides are equal. Any two sides out of three sides, any two sides are equal. Two equal sides of an isosceles triangle are 2 cm more than the third side. If we will take this third side as x, so consider these two as isosceles triangle sides. So if you will take these two as equal sides, so this is 2 cm more than thrice the third side. 2 cm ज़्यादा है किससे? थर्ड साइड के थ्राइस से. तो थर्ड साइड का थ्राइस हो गया 3x, इससे 2 सेंटीमीटर ज़्यादा. तो दिस विल ऑल्सो बी 3x प्लस 2. थ्राइस थर्ड साइड के थ्राइस से 2 ज़्यादा, मोर. ओके, so we will take, let the third side equal x centimeter. So what should be two equal sides of an isosceles triangle? Therefore, two equal sides will be 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Both the sides will be 3x plus 2 centimeter. अब आगे लिख रहा है if the perimeter of a triangle is 67. Perimeter of a triangle, what does it mean? Perimeter of triangle क्या होगा? Means sum of all the three sides. Sum of all the three sides. So this is given as 67. So this means sum of all the three sides means x plus 3x plus 2 plus 3x plus 2 means ये side plus this side plus this side, and its sum is given, perimeter is given as 67. Now we will solve it further. X plus 3x plus 3x, 7x plus 2 plus 2, this is 4, equal 67. Now shift the terms. 67 minus 4, that is 63. So x will be 63 upon 7. Cancel कीजिए. So this will come as x as 9. Now let's go for the question further. Find the length of the sides. Length of the side means आपको तीनों साइड बतानी है. Therefore, the third side equal 9 centimeter and two equal sides क्या होगा? What it should be? Two equal side, this is 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. Now we will put this x value in this. So this will become 3 multiply 9 plus 2 as well 3 multiply 9 plus 2. So this will come as 27 plus 2 and same way 27 plus 2. So this is equals to 29 centimeter and 29 centimeter. Means two equal sides will be 29 centimeter each. Now question 11. Question 11 is length of a rectangle is 16 less than twice its breadth. So we will take let breadth of rectangle equal x centimeter. Therefore, length of rectangle, what it should be, 16 centimeter less than twice its breadth. ब्रेथ के ट्वाइस से 16 कम है, तो ब्रेथ का ट्वाइस क्या हुआ 2x, उससे 16 कम है. एंड पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज गिवन 100. तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल formula is same, 2l plus b, 2l plus b. So therefore 2l plus b perimeter is given as 100. Now we will substitute the values here. So length is 2x minus 16 and plus breadth. Instead of breadth हम इसकी वैल्यू रख देंगे plus x equal 100. हमने क्या किया, लेंथ इंस्टेड ऑफ लेंथ वी हैव टेकन इट्स वैल्यू 2x माइनस 16 प्लस ब्रेड्थ की जगह हमने ब्रेड्थ की वैल्यू x रख दी. नाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट फॉर द 2x प्लस x. सो दिस विल बी 3x minus 16 equal 100. So 3x minus 16 equal 100 upon 2. Either you can solve it by opening the bracket also or by taking 2 in the denominator. Both the ways are right. You will get same answer with both the ways. So 3x minus 16 equal 50. Now we will solve it for the, here 3x equal 50 plus 16. So this is 66. So x will be 66 upon 3. Cancel कीजिए. So x value will come as 22. Now the question is you have to find the length and breadth. So therefore breadth of rectangle is 22 centimeter and length of rectangle, this is 2x minus 16. Now we will substitute this x value in this. So 2 multiply x means 2 multiply x is 2 multiply 22 minus 16. So 44 minus 16. So this will come as how much? 18 centimeter. Sorry, 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. Now question number 12. Question 12 is find two consecutive positive integer whose sum is 63. Positive integer, अगर हम फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर मान लीजिए 5 लेते हैं, व्हाट शुड बी द सेकेंड कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीजर, दैट वुड बी 6. तो हमने क्या किया, 5 में 1 ऐड कर दिया. If we will take the first consecutive integer, first positive integer as 10, then what should be the next consecutive positive integer? 11. So what will you do? 10 plus 1. So that is equals to 11. So same thing we will do it here. Let first positive integer, we will take it as x. So therefore what should be the second consecutive integer? Second consecutive positive integer, as I have given one example, नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा? If the first number is x, what should be the next number? Consecutive means next number. It will be x plus 1. कैसे? If we will take the first number, let it be 9. What should be the next consecutive number? 10. It should be 10. तो ये 10 कैसे आया? 9 plus 1 से 10 आया. Same thing. If the first number is x, what should be the consecutive positive integer? इस नंबर में 1 ऐड कर दोगे. And its sum is given 63. The sum of these two numbers is 63. So according to question, x plus 1 equal 63. Solve it. 2x plus 1, 63. Now solve it further. 63 minus 1. So 2x equals 62. So x will be 62 upon 2. Cancel कीजिए. So x will come as 31. Now according to the question, we have to find out both the integers. So therefore, first positive integer equal 31, and second consecutive integer positive integer equal 31 plus 1, that would be 32. I hope all these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.